1. Good morning everyone. Now I'm going to present structural programming paradigm. Here first we are going to discuss about control statements. First one is decision making statements, next looping statement and jump statement. Decision making statements are are achieved by using if statement and switch statement. Looping statement are do while loop, for loop, for each loop. Jump statement are break statement, continue statement. We are going to discuss one by one. Decision making statement evaluate the Boolean expression and control the program flow depending upon the result of the condition provided. There are two types of decision making statement, if statement and switch statement. So this is the example for the if statement. It evaluates a Boolean expression, enable the program to enter the block of code if the if the expression evaluates true. The condition for the if statement is if condition and statement 1 can be executed. Here the public class and student is the class name, public static void main, it's a main statement. The execution will be starting from here and initializing two variable x and y variable, x equal to 10, y equal to 20. Here condition is when you add x and y variable, if it is greater than 20, then it is printing x plus y is greater than 20. And nested if statements, when you have the multiple if conditions, it will be nested one inside another, then it is called as nested statement. Switch statement contains multiple block of code called cases, and single case is executed based on the variable which is being switched. The switch statement is easier to use instead of if else if statement. It also enhances the readability of the program. Default statement is executed when any of the case does not match the value of the expression. Break statement terminates the switch block when the condition is satisfied. It is optional. If not used, next case is executed. Switch expression, case value 1, statement 1, break. Similarly, we'll have the in statement and default statement. This is the example for the same. Public class student implements clonable. Public class static void main string args if num equal to 2, and switch and passing the num as a variable inside the switch statement and checking the case 0. If the number is 0, it is printing system.out.println number is 0. So break statement, then next case 1 and it is printing number is 1 and break. Default statement here is number. Next one is looping statement. In programming, sometimes we need to execute the block of code repeatedly while some condition evaluates to true. In Java, we have three types of looping statement: for loop, while loop, do while loop. Almost all three looping statements will be working similar, but only the syntax wise it will vary. The syntax for the for loop is initialization, condition, increment or decrement operator, and block of code to be executed. This is the very simple program to find the sum of 10 natural numbers. So you first public class, name of the class and main function. So for sum equal to 0, and then I'm giving the for statement for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to 10, j plus plus, sum equal to sum plus j. So that I'll get the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So then I'm printing the sum. And then this is the example for the do while loop. Here public class calculation, public static void main statement, and I am initializing I equal to 0 because do while statement will not have the initialization part. That's what we need to initialize the I variable at first. And do system.out.println, adding the numbers till I less than equal to 10. Jump statement, so it will come out of the loop. It helps to break the current flow of the program and transfer the control to the next statement outside the loop or switch statement. Public class break example is the class name and main statement which is execute the execution will be starting from the main statement. Here I'm initializing 0. The condition is I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. So here if the I equal to 6, when I get 6, I need to come out of the loop. That's what I'm checking the condition. If I equal to 6, then I'm applying the break statement to come out of the loop. Same way continue. The difference between the break and continue statement is the break will come out of the entire loop, the continue will come out of only that part of execution, and it will continue the loop. So here I am checking when j equal to 4, it has to break and then the loop has to be continued. So it is breaking, it is leaving the 4 and it is printing the remaining numbers. Thank you.